What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the garage and welcome to the channel. It's your boy Johnny Press, and today we got another package and I got a special treat just for you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. It's got a pretty clean interior and even some speakers. I have not seen one of these for at least 20 years. Check this truck out. It is an older truck, but if you think about it, anybody could go to the dealer and get a brand new Chevy. Why wouldn't you want to have something like this? Anyways, today's project is going to be to remove and replace this for some newer ones, and that's what the package is. Anyway, so today we're going to remove this, and guess what's in the package? The new light bulbs. Headlights, I should say. Okay, so we're gonna start by popping the hood. Oh, look at that nice engine, Vortec. Really quick, we're gonna rush to this inbox. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, I'm excited. Ooh, nice. Check out the difference. Looks like that was the left. This must be the right. Gonna be careful with the package. Nope, same side, the lower side. Kind of matches the lower one, or the upper one. I don't know, I gotta find this out. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, I see it now, I see it. Okay, so let's put it in place and keep unboxing. Oh yeah. This is definitely thinner, so this must be the lower one on the left side. Okay, so please let me allow you to show you how easy it is to remove both of these. We're gonna start off by the left side. You pull this up and out, just like that. You pull straight up. Then we gotta figure out a way to up, twist and pull. And be careful with this. Twist. Feels loose. And there you go. Step one. For step two, it's got a clip here. Pull. And then you want to slide out to the left or to the side. And it also appears to have, no, actually this one has 3 lights. The little one on the side, 2 and 3. The same thing, you want to twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. Be careful with the light bulbs. Just like that. We're gonna install the new ones. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything in reverse. Start off with the light bulbs. Got some tape here. Let's see, let's try putting the little one first. To push it back in, you want to line it up and clip it back on, just like that. Now we're going to do the top part. Now we're going to gently insert Okay, I found a quick trick to get this nice and easier. You loosen up You loosen up these because they come too tight versus the older ones. So you just, kind of quarter turn it, and the light bulb just should go right in. Now we're gonna tie them up. Look, these much better versus. Let's see how fast I can do this one. "30 seconds. Nah, I don't even know. I didn't even really time myself, but I was fairly quick. Yeah, guys, so this truck was bought by my uncle. It's his project truck, but like always, before it was both of us working on our vehicles. Now he has to work too much, and I guess I'm the designated mechanic. I'm not a mechanic, by the way. But simple things like this, anybody can do. Okay, start off by the little one. Okay, boom. Easy. I'm gonna go sand this, boom, easy. Yeah, the second one obviously became easier. Oh, I know why it was getting stuck. It was the rubber seal. Boom. So we're gonna put it in place. Clip right here. Push. Boom. Now we do the top ones. There it is, baby. Okay, at last I'm gonna peel the plastic. Now we're gonna peel the other side. The job is complete. There's the front. Just making sure the lights work, and it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it and call it a day. Boom, baby. Bam. I am gonna sell these old ones. Maybe somebody could polish them, make them look better or something. If you're interested, shoot me a text. We'll make a deal. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. Thank you. And that's all for today. Thank you. Till next time. Bye. This was your boy, Johnny Press.